Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to another informative video from RR Visas and Consultants, your trusted partner in Canadian immigration guidance. Today, I'm going to walk you through the Canada PR process, step by step, so you can understand exactly what it takes to start your journey to Canada. So, let's get started. Step 1. Eligibility check. First thing first, you need to check if you are eligible or not. You need to hit at least 67 out of 100 points, considering things like your age, education, experience, language skills, and any Canadian work or study experience you might have. Got a job offer that helps too. You can use this point calculator to see how many points you have. The link is provided below. Step 2. Get your ECA. If you are eligible, your foreign education must be assessed by one of the 5 to 6 designated authorities. Based on your education, choose one of the popular agencies like WES, IQAS, ICAS, ICES. These agencies will evaluate your degrees, diplomas, certificates, etc., and make sure that they are equivalent to Canadian ones. This will cost around 250 to 300 Canadian dollars. Step 3. Take a language test. You need to prove your language proficiency. For English, you can take IELTS, CELPIP, or PTE. For French, you need to take TEF or TCF. The minimum scores you need are for English, CLB 7 or higher, and for French, NCLC 5 or higher. First official language, minimum CLB 7 for English, or NCLC 7 for French. Second official language, minimum CLB 5 for English, or NCLC 5 for French. You can find more information about the language test in this video. The link is provided below. Step 4. Submit your EOI. Now it's time to create and submit your expression of interest profile in the Express Entry Pool. Your profile will be valid for 1 year. After you submit your EOI, you'll be entered into a huge pool of candidates from all over the world. Once you receive an ITA, you'll have 60 days to submit your complete application. Step 5. Apply for a PNP. If you want to increase your chances of getting an ITA, you can apply for a Provincial Nominee Program. If you qualify for a specific province's needs, you'll receive a nomination certificate, which will give you extra points and boost your chances of being selected in the next Express Entry draw. Check out this video to know more about PNP. The link is provided below. Step 6. Receive invitation to apply. Once your profile is selected from the Express Entry Pool, you'll receive an invitation to apply for permanent residency. After that, you'll have 60 days to submit your complete application and pay your fees. Step 7. Medical and police clearance. You need to complete a medical exam and get your PCC, which is your police clearance certificate. Your medical exam must be completed at a designated medical clinic. The list of clinics is provided below. The cost of the medical exam is around $200 to $300. Step 8. Submit final application. You've got 60 days to send in your final application with everything you need. That means your ECA report, language test results like IELTS or CELPIP, work experience letters, proof of funds, and police clearance certificates. Easy peasy, right? Make sure to include all the required documents because IRCC, which is the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, will return your incomplete applications. Step 9. Pay visa fees. Once you submit your application, you need to pay the applicable visa processing fees. The processing fee for a permanent residence application is around $13.25 Canadian dollars per adult and $260.00 CAD per child. After that, your application will be processed and you'll receive your decision. If your application is approved, you'll get your Canada PR and you can plan your journey to Canada. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments section. I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this information helpful and informative, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more immigration tips and guides. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'll be happy to help you out. See you in the next video, and best of luck on your journey to Canada.